Human brain. Human brain is a soft, whitish, large-sized and slightly flattened structure present inside cranial cavity of cranium of the skull. It is the central information processing organ of the body and acts as the command and control system. The weight of the human brain is about 3 pounds. The meninges are the outer layer of the brain with cerebrospinal fluid. Human brain is formed of 3 parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain forms anterior 2/3 of the brain and is formed of 4 parts: olfactory lobes, cerebrum, thalami, and hypothalamus. Cerebrum is formed of a pair of large-sized lobes, called cerebral hemispheres. Each cerebral hemisphere is divided into 4 lobes: anterior frontal lobe, middle parietal lobe, posterior occipital lobe, and lateral temporal lobe. Cerebral hemisphere controls all the voluntary activities of the body. It is the seat of memory, will, intelligence, reasoning, and learning. Hypothalamus controls involuntary functions like hunger, thirst, sweating, sleep, fatigue, sexual desire, water balance, blood pressure, anger, fear, temperature regulation, etc. Midbrain. It is formed of 2 parts: optic lobes and cerebral peduncle. Optic lobes are a pair of large-sized lobes present on the dorsal side. These control visual reflexes and auditory reflexes. Cerebral peduncles act as coordination centers between hind and forebrain. Hindbrain. It is formed of 3 parts: pons varoli, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum is the second largest part present below the occipital part of cerebral hemisphere. It controls equilibrium and posture. Cerebellum controls rapid muscular activities such as running, typing, talking, etc. Medulla oblongata is the posterior most part of brain. It controls involuntary functions of the body through centers like cardiac centers, respiratory centers, vasomotor centers, salivary centers, etc. It also controls coughing, sneezing, vomiting, urinating, defecation,